After you've downloaded the zip file, you'll want to open it up inside of the File Explorer and extract the Eclipse folder. You can decide where you want to extract it. I'm just going to extract it to the desktop. It'll just take a couple seconds for that to be complete. When it's complete, go to the location that you extracted the files. Mine are on my desktop. Double click that folder and open it, and inside of that I'm going to find an eclipse.exe file, and that is actually going to be the application to run. From here I have an option. I can pin it to the taskbar, which will put it down here in the bottom. You can also send it to the start, pin to start, and that will make it show up on your start page. Mine's over here on the right hand side, and of course I can move that around so that it's more convenient, so that I can always get to Eclipse quickly. I'm going to go ahead and launch Eclipse. I just clicked on it to open it up. The first time it loads, it's going to ask us to select a workspace. This is where all of our files and folders for Eclipse are going to be stored. I like to store this inside of a CIS 171 so that I know where these files are. Once I select my workspace, again the place where I save those files, click OK, Eclipse is going to launch. The first time Eclipse launches, I'm brought to a start page. I've got some options for looking at tutorials and trying out samples. I'm going to go ahead and close this. We're just going to create a basic project that demonstrates that Eclipse is working with our Java software development kit. Here are the instructions on how to do that. We're going to begin by going to File, New, and creating a new Java project. I'm going to call this project Hello Printer. At this time, I'm going to leave all the defaults as they are and click Finish. Next, I'm going to create a Java class. I can use this C with the plus sign here to create a new Java class. I can also go to File, New, and create a class here. I'm going to call the name of it Hello Printer. And again, just click Finish. And I'm going to use the code from page 7 of your textbook. So if you'd like to, you can pause it at this time, the video at this time, and you can type in the code from page 7 of your textbook. I'm going to assume now that you have the text from page 7 of our textbook in, and I'm going to show you how to save this, compile it, and we can see the program run. In Eclipse, it's very easy. All we have to do is go up here to the green play button, and this is going to compile our code and then run our code. First, whenever we click this play button, it's going to ask us if we want to save our changes to the class file. This little star here will also show you that there have been changes since you've saved it last. I'm going to go ahead and click this green Run. It's going to ask me if I want to save it. I'm going to say OK. It's compiling and it's running, and down here at the bottom I can see my console, and here's my message that I've printed out. If you do not get this message but you have an error message instead, go back and take a look at the text and compare it to what you've written. In this particular example, the capitalization of the S in string and the S in system does matter, so you need to make sure you have those both capitalized. Double check to make sure that you've got double quotes inside of, or keeping hello world inside. Check your curly brackets, make sure they open and close correctly. And then finally check and see if you've got that semicolon there. If you're still having problems and you can't quite troubleshoot where that error is coming from, please get a hold of me and we'll take a look at it. One of the other components to this assignment is to add your name as a comment. A comment does not run and whenever the program is run, and it starts by 2 slashes, and we just type in whatever we want as our comment, and the compiler ignores that specific line. I've made a change to my helloprinter.java file, so I'm going to save it and run it again. And you'll see down here, here's my console run, and here's my message. At this time, we want to take a print screen of this page And this is what you'll submit into our Blackboard course for points for demonstrating that you have Eclipse and Java set up correctly.